Presenting a pre-owned 2024 Toyota Corolla. This four-door wagon has a four-cylinder, 2.0-liter i4 engine with all-wheel drive and an automatic transmission. This Toyota is a great value with less than 20,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 45 miles per gallon in the city and 38 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include auxiliary audio input, satellite radio, speed-sensitive volume control, smartphone integration, wireless data link, roof rails, spare tire kit, power windows, rear privacy glass, window defogger, air filtration, front air conditioning, cruise control, power steering, digital odometer, external temperature display, battery saver, airbags, anti-lock brakes, braking assist, power brakes, blind spot safety, child seat anchors, seatbelt force limiters, power door locks, stability control, and traction control.